Hello, welcome back. Let us find the area of this right-angled triangle. I am going to call this triangle as triangle A, B, C, and I'll call this point as point D. We know that area of right-angled triangle is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. But from our triangle ABC, they have given to us the height of 24. We have height which is equal to 24 centimeter, and the base is distance CB. They don't give us distance CB. This is equal to the base, but we don't know that. For us to get the area, we need first to find the distance CB. CB, this is equal to distance CD plus distance DB. I'm going to start by finding the distance CD. Distance CD, this is equal to what? I'm going to use triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD, which is right-angled triangle. I'm going to use Pythagorean theory using the hypotenuse of 25 and the distance A of 24 to get the distance CD. From Pythagorean theory, A square plus B square, this is equal to C square, but I'm going to call A as 24. B is equal to distance CD, this is equal to CD, and C is equal to 25. Let us substitute this into Pythagorean theory to get B, which is the same as distance CD. That is A equal to 24, that is going to be 24 square, plus B square, this is equal to 25 square. 24 square, it is 576, plus B square, this is equal to 625. B is equal to 625, take away 576. This is B square. Now B square, this is equal to 49. I'm going to take the square root both sides. I'm going to get B, which is equal to distance CD. This is equal to 7 centimeter. Already we get distance CD equal to 7 centimeter. Let us now find distance DB. Consider triangle ABD. It is right-angled triangle which has distance AD. I'll call AD. This is as A, which is equal to 24, and distance AB, I'll call this as hypotenuse, that is C, which is equal to 26 centimeter. I'm going to find distance DB, which I call it as B is equal to what? I'll use Pythagorean theory, that is A square plus b squared, this is equal to c squared. Let us substitute this to the formula. That is going to be a equal to 24 squared plus b squared, this is equal to c, which is 26 squared. (24 squared) is the same as 576 plus b squared, this is equal to 26 squared. We got 676. Let's take the 576 to the right hand side. We got b squared is equal to 676. Take away 576. We get b squared. This is equal to 100. Take the square root both sides. We got b is equal to 10. But b is the same as distance db. db, this is equal to b, this is equal to 10 centimeter. Distance db, this is now 10 centimeter. From here now, it is easy to find the area since the base is going to be the sum of 7 plus 10. The base of triangle is equal to CD, which is equal to 7, plus DB, which is equal to 10 centimeter, which give us base is equal to 17 centimeter. From C to B, it is 17 centimeter. Now we are going to use the formula to find the area, which is a half multiplied by base multiplied by height, to get the area of this triangle. Our area is equal to a half multiplied by, we got base of 17, multiplied by the height is 24. We can simplify by 2. 1 by 2, it is 12. We get area is equal to 17 multiplied by 12. We get 204 centimeters square. Hope you understand how to find the area of this right-angled triangle. We start by finding the base and then we find the area. For more questions on triangles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.